I'm gonna do a quick review on this Wahl haircutting kit. I use this kit to give my family a haircut. So these colorful clip-ons help you to make different lengths of haircut. So the longest would be 1 inch and slightly shorter ones, and I think the shortest one is 1/16 inch. These two clip-ons has left and right on it. It's for left ear and right ear to protect your ears when you do the haircut. It also comes with scissors, combs, brushes. So the kit comes with this case that can close up and put everything inside. It's easy to carry around. The razor itself has an adjustment lever here to help get a closer haircut. So the kit also comes with a little bottle of oil to oil the blades. The cord is super long, it's like 7 feet. It gives me plenty of room to give a haircut. So yeah, I like that. The only downside I would say about this product is that it makes a very loud noise when I'm using it. Other than that, this is a great product, and that's my point of view. Hope you find it helpful.